house movers.
Trap house movers. Moving. Look at that. Outback. Out here. Let's go. All moved out. Thanks, Sabrina. Thanks, Jeff.
We're done.
We're done. Woo, yeah, last bit. Literally last bit.
Oh, no, take this.
Oh, go take a piss. We're U-Haul. Glendora.
Oh, did we get something cool?
Oh, you were talking about that. Ventura Cross. Oh, Canada. Yo, check this out. Rolly windows. Forgot these mugs existed. Finally got all the stuff moved in with the fan. Yeah, let's check out the place. All the boxes in. Yay, thank you guys. Fam.
I ate this one in the car. There's a lot.
Is that?
Put some waters there, beer.
Nice.
Made it. Moved to the new house. The Z is now here at Elite Tuner. Yeah, we're showing off, meeting some cool rides, or meeting some cool people, check out the rides, and yeah, here's Sally real quick. She is all set up. Be on the build, bam! The magazine. LS is really dirty. Really haven't cleaned the car in 6 months, but yeah, just did a quick wipe down. All right, let's go find a judging sheet and check out all the whips. Yo, check out the swap though. Bam, proper. Look how fat this turbo is. Head measurement. Welcome to the Beyond the Build.
I think we gotta redo that.
High five! High five! There you go.
What's going on YouTube? Eric Solis. Everyone knows me as Slowbo from Lake Elsinore, California. We're here at Tuner Evo in Irwindale. And this is my build.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
Make sure to give it a follow. What kind of modifications do you have right now, like with the build?
So with this build, I took it simple, but I went not simple with the cosmetics. So it's just basic couple bolt-ons, and I just went crazy with the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, I just love carbon fiber. I don't know what's about carbon fiber, I just love it, man.
Yes, shout out to any sponsors or the homies or squad or.
Yeah, I want to give a quick shout out to my homies at Lethal Culture. You know, we're always repping. So if you guys want to look at other car stuff, go check them out.
Sick, bro. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Thank you, bro. Take it easy.
Cabbage, wait, cabbage.
Sorry.
GG.
Backpack raps with gats in it. Don't get your cap peeled by the black menace. K. Dot thoroughbred, move like a militant soldier. On point like a pyramid, forced to be reckoned with the best shit. Like the strongest manure, I'm ready when you are. This is it, I'm in the lab cooking up all day. F 'em up all day, like a nympho. I've been dope since S-curl ways, trying to convince hoes I got good hair. Knowing damn well there's chemicals there. I'm in the hood with the 17-year-olds that's on hood patrol. And they want stripes so they shoot off bikes. And you know, any moment you can lose your life. So kiss your kids or hug your wife or whatnot. Yo, I spawned with a dragon. He tried to throw his flame, but I ducked, then I stabbed him. Came out the battle laughing. That's a metaphor for any rapper who want it. I smack them till they nose is running. You know the hoes is coming if I'm there. And the hoes is coming once we hit that hotel. It's no assumption. Cool out before I move out. Hop on the 105 and do about 105 before your ass get through out the backseat. There's a dead guy on the freeway. Oh, it's not that. Tell the medics it's okay. A beast when the beat break. You probably think I'm dope like it's the realest shit I broke, but to me it's a throwaway. I stare at them four walls and rap like I'm mad at God. Nice enough to throw a spear at Nas and jab at Jay. Matter of fact, no, I take that back. See, I don't play with real legends and rap like you do, and I'm crucial. Come real by real scripts and Subaru, and they shoot like photography students with beef get the broom. Comp.
Park. Here we go. Alright guys, we had a great time today. It was super filled with activities. First, we moved to a new house. Shout out to the family for coming through and help us move everything. Now we got the Z running, and yeah, we came over to Elite Tuner at Irwindale. Shout out to Tuner Battlegrounds. Shout out to PASMAG. Thank you guys for an amazing opportunity. And yeah, we're gonna be heading home and then call it a day. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys in the next episode.